Hey folks, I have a new pen that I wanted to unbox and pass on first impressions. This is the Endless Captiva, a new pen from the creators of the Endless Creator, which was one of the first retractable fountain pens made in India. This one is the next pen, which also interestingly has a new filler mechanism. A new filler mechanism that they call the torque filler, which I've not heard before. This, as you can see here, it says all new torque filler. That seems to be the differentiator of this pen. I see they have used the same gold accents that they use in the Endless Creator. This again is a nice box. It comes in three colors. There is Deep Ocean, which is a blue, and then there is Infinite Space with a black. Both of these colors come with a silver trim, and there is a stealth black version, which is about 500 rupees more than this and is completely black. Uh, this one is priced at 4,000 rupees, 3,999 to be precise. But let's open this up. I have the deep blue, or sorry, deep ocean one, which is the blue, I guess. There we have it. Um, Let me quickly open this up. It's a nice navy blue color. It has an ink window, and this seems to be the filler mechanism. Let's take a quick look at the nib. Nice. It has the Endless logo on here and a cartridge. This just seems to be a very fancy way to operate a piston, and they refer to this as a torque. The only difference is that you don't have to open up the pen to use the filling mechanism. The filling mechanism works without having to open up your pen. Now, this might be a brilliant idea or not a good one, because this doesn't lock in place, which means in my pocket, there's a chance that this could twist with friction. Uh, so I don't think I'll be carrying this pen, but it looks fancy. I would use it as a desk pen for sure. But it seems to be, I have to try it out to see if this can ever be used as a carry pen. This mechanism is slightly recessed, but if you look at the side profile, you can clearly see that this is exposed to touch, which means in the pocket, among with other things, this is gonna move around, and then it could push the piston. The window is clear, and then you can clearly notice the space. It also allows you to see the piston going up and down. If you notice, you can see the piston going up and down, which is pretty cool. Pen is pretty light, um, and it screws onto the top. So that's a quick first impression. It comes with no extra cartridges, but yeah, there is a quick instructions on what a torque filler means. Yeah, just rotate the revolver. It is a piston filler with a fancy name, in my opinion. The Just that you have access to the piston filler without having to open up the pen. Uh, all right, let's sync it up and take it for a spin. And interesting, they have a unique pen ID for every pen made, I guess. But okay, let's fill up some ink and try it out. So I just started to set up the inking for this pen. I decided to use Candy C for the deep ocean pen. The Candy C is an ink by Endless again. Um, but I just opened this box to see definitely green ink. Um, Not sure. We'll ink it up and see whether it's blue, but I doubt, highly doubt that. That's because I also have the green called Mystic Forest, which look exactly the same optics wise to this green. So I think the folks at Endless goofed up and gave me two bottles of green, or send me a green ink in a blue box. Anyways, I picked this up. We'll go ahead with it. I guess we are doing this inking with a green ink because of the folks at Endless goofed up. All right. It would have been a great pairing if we could have done it with Candy C. This is Candy C. Maybe. Maybe it is Candy C and just looks great, but let's check it out. I have the pen here. Slip it in. And then down goes the piston. Twist it anti-clockwise to load up the down. Sorry, push the piston down, and then clockwise to load it up with ink. Cool. You can see in the ink window here. Let me focus on that. Right, that ink is filled up. So that's nice. So let me clean this up. Let me put this aside. This is the Endless Captiva Torque Filler Fountain Pen, and the ink is, I don't know what the ink is. Uh, Candy C slash Mystic Forest. Is this blue by any chance? Nope, that's definitely green. So I just have a bottle of green ink. Anyways, the pen is super nice to write with. It is smooth. I do have a good feel in the hand. It's very light, and the nib seems to glide across. This is super nice to write with. So they got that right, and I think I'll be using this in the next week, and I'll leave some comments on this video about how the writing is over the week as I try new pens and stuff. Cool. There's a little flex to the nib as well, as you can see. It doesn't increase the width by too much, but it gives you a slightly bouncy feel to your writing. Uh, this is without any pressure, and this is with pressure. There's very little variation in the lines, um, but I like the bouncy feel and the feedback that is giving. It's smooth, just not. There's enough feedback for us for the writing experience, but it's pretty smooth. Cool. Um, the only concern I have about this pen is in its design. Um, this looks pretty cool, but I would have to see it in action in a pencil box or in a pocket to see if I can use it anywhere outside, because I'm worried that this will get twisted sitting alongside other things, uh, in a bag or in the pocket, and it's going to push the ink, uh, and it's going to be a mess. Maybe I'm wrong. I'll try it out. I'll leave some comments on this video if I'm able to use this as a carry-on pen as well. That's all, folks. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave it them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. See you around. Bye.